Hello, today my agenda is that SQL subquery. So we'll start why we are using SQL subquery and why it's important. And the first of all definition, we can define subquery in SQL. Subquery can be simply defined as a query within another query. In other words, we can say that subquery is a query that embedded in where clause of clause of another SQL query. So we can say that very simple way a subquery we written inside the another query. So that is called subquery. Query within another query. Practically, we'll take one example how to define subquery. So in SQL Server side, we have one database demo01. In demo01 database, we have two table employee address or employees. We have two tables. If I execute both table together, that time in below side you can see the result. The first table display employee address based on the employee ID and second table display employee detail. Now I'm write down the query is a subquery. Like for example, select EMP address. Just second. And I want to like where I want to address which employee is present in employee table. So I have to return EMP ID in employees table like that. Can we can put and we can select here ID only, or then we can execute this query so we can see output of subquery in below window in result window here. Only one record is showing here. Employee ID 3, address is Noida. It's okay. Why result is showing like that? As per the subquery, here in employee here have to employee 3 or 2 ID. Only 3 select ID from employees. So this query return only 3 or 2. Okay, and 3 and 2 we have written here condition emp address table id 1431 where emp id is equal to whatever data we received from employee table. We received only 3 or 2, but 2 is not present in this data. So we find like it's written only result Noida 3. So now suppose that now we are checking which data not in. Not in means which ID not present in this employee table. uh, that record we want to check in employee address table. You understood? Like just second. Here showing three record means NCR, Hyderabad or Bangalore or the three address. It's not employee is not present in our employee table. We are checking based on the where condition in or not in based on the subquery. I hope you understood what I am trying to convey here. So we are written here subquery. So select ID from employees and EMP ID not in. So based on this in or not in keyword operator, we return the subquery. It's really important interview point of view. Interview ask like why we are using subquery. Join is better to subquery. So subquery is it's very taking time compared to the join, but depend on the scenario. Thank you so much watching this video. If you think like it's like this video, please subscribe in the channel.